Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today I focused on teaching you the 10 most common adjectives spoken in Turkish. These are really the most common, I can say, the words or I can say adjectives that Turkish people speak and use. Let's start with one of them. Here is, as you see here, pahalı, pahalı, pahalı, pahalı, pahalı. Next one is ucuz, ucuz, ucuz. This is the third one, aceleci, aceleci. That means actually I can say someone who hurries to do something, very quickly. So that's why we use this in Turkish so many times actually. Aceleci, aceleci, aceleci, aceleci. Sabırsız, sabırsız, sabırsız, sabırsız. Telaşlı, telaşlı. I just checked the meaning of this word, adjective actually, I can say. It says kind of hurry and fussy or something like this. I can give you a very little explanation here. Telaşlı is someone who hears or who should do something, but that moment he or she doesn't know how to do this, so that feeling puts that person into a feeling of, I can say, mixture of confusion or something like this. So that's why we use here telaşlı, telaşlı, kind of panicky person, we can say. Telaşlı, telaşlı. İlginç, ilginç, ilginç. Tuhaf, tuhaf. Tuhaf, actually, you can say here, weird and strange. Both of them is okay for this. And there's another one, which I will show here, acayip, acayip. Bizarre, bizarre, which is unusual, I can say. We use this word, acayip, which is not, I can say, common or standard. So that makes you feel out of the standard. So we say in Turkish, acayip. Gerekli, gerekli, gerekli, gerekli, gerekli. Gereksiz, gereksiz, gereksiz, gereksiz. Çalışkan, çalışkan, çalışkan, çalışkan. Okay, one more time, let's repeat, guys, together with me. I mean, if you speak, that's better for you. Okay, let's start. Repeat with me as well. Çalışkan, çalışkan. Gereksiz, gereksiz. Gerekli, gerekli. Acayip, acayip. Tuhaf, tuhaf. İlginç, ilginç. Telaşlı, telaşlı. Sabırsız, sabırsız. Aceleci, aceleci. Ucuz, ucuz. Pahalı, pahalı. Okay, now this is the end of my lesson. I will make actually 40 adjectives more for the following lessons. I hope this lesson is okay and enough for you to understand this most common adjectives spoken in Turkish. And if you have any questions, don't forget, please, to write to me, aktiferen@hotmail.com. You can write any questions you would like to learn. So don't forget to subscribe and like the lesson. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.